na, pero kasi itong gwapong ito, first day pa lang, he's a very open person. Alam mo yan, they're all willing to learn eh. Si Franz, nung una ko siya kami talagang, nakita ko sa kanya, focus na focus siya sa ginagawa niya. That's what they're loving people. And I love them both kasi talagang magaan silang katrabaho together. Walang ethos yan. Alam mo yan. Sapagkat, actually, yung role ko, pero basta nakikita ko sila together. They talk, pinag-uusapan nila yung ginagawa nila, talagang nagtatanungan sila kung okay ba to, okay ba yung ganyan, or may mga biruan, gano'n. So, I think that they were able to pull it through. Bagay sa kanila yung my future. Saka talagang sobrang, I'm very excited. It's for them eh, the film is for them. It's a different plot and twist. It's not only about thinking about love story, no. Kasi kaya talaga na bagay. Sino talaga yung my future? Yun na yun.
Siguro si